Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making something very interesting. What if I tell you we can combine everyone's favorite brownies with red velvet flavor? Yes, that's right. We are going to be making eggless red velvet brownies. This recipe is easy to follow and the brownies turn out to be super delicious and ultra chocolatey. Do watch the video till the end for a special announcement. Now let's get started. So we'll measure our chocolate in this. That is 46 grams. This is our chopped chocolate. Now we'll add 93 grams of butter to it. We'll keep it on a double boiler. We'll switch it off because the water is still hot, so the remaining thing will melt in that it is. So see, everything is melted completely. We'll let it cool first. So in another small bowl, we will take 94 grams of cream cheese. We'll add 1 tablespoon of corn flour to it. We'll whisk it with a whisker. So see how mixture is, cream cheese is smooth now. So we'll add the another ingredients to it. We'll add 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 19 grams of powdered sugar, one-fourth teaspoon of vanilla extract, half tablespoon of milkmaid, and a pinch of baking powder. Just a pinch. So guys, this is our cream cheese mixture for the top of red velvet brownies. We'll top it with this. So now we'll prepare for the brownie mixture. We'll take a bowl. We'll add milkmaid to it, that is 187 grams. We will add, now we'll add 3/4 teaspoon of vanilla to it and a pinch of red color, a drop of red color. We'll just whisk it with electric beater. I'll just use some more of red color. We'll add our chocolate and butter mixture which has cooled down. We'll just whisk it again. Now we'll sift our dry ingredients to it. That is maida, 87.5 grams. And 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda. We'll just sift it. Just mix it properly. So now our batter has come together. So we will line a pan for this. So this is our pan. We will grease it a bit to all the sides. We will take a parchment paper and we'll put it in and brush it again. Now we'll put our mixture into this. Spread it evenly. So this is our red velvet brownies. We'll top it with our cream cheese mixture we have prepared. So I'll take a piping bag
I'll fill it with the mixture. We'll cut it from the bottom like this. We'll just swirl it with the help of a toothpick. So this is our red velvet brownies, guys. We'll keep it in a preheated oven. We'll keep this in a preheated oven at 160 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. So everyone, this is our red velvet brownies. So I'll just take it out. We'll just cut it. So this is our red velvet brownies topped with cream cheese frosting.
Thank you so much for watching, everyone. But wait, I have got something special for you. Do you want to start your own home baking business? क्या आप अपना home baking business start करना चाहते हैं? I've put together a course having more than 75 different eggless baking recipes. These range from various types of cakes to cookies, brownies, muffins, cheesecakes, donuts, and so much more. In addition to these recipes, I will also give you insights into marketing, costing, and everything you need to turn your passion into a successful business. इस कोर्स में 75 रेसिपीज के साथ आपको मार्केटिंग लेसन्स, कॉस्टिंग ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स और सारी चीजें सिखाई जाएंगी जो आपको एक होम बेकिंग बिजनेस स्टार्ट करने के लिए जरूरी है. You can find the link to join this course in the description below. Also, there's another surprise for you. We are currently offering a 50% discount on course for a limited time. Book fast as limited slots are available. Before you go, don't forget to show some love. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my future videos. Let me know in the comments below what you would like to see next. Bye, I'll see you in the next video.